Dude, it's got the bumper all welded up. Sheesh. You wrote that shit? Oh, dude, he thinks he's that guy. Alright. On to a few other things. Here we are real quick. We got a few little welds we're getting finished up. Getting her all ready to get into the paint. See what we got going on here. You go, girl. What do you got going?
We're just finishing her up to go to powder coat, you know. Real welder how to step in and do some welds on it, so it's just what we're doing today.
We'll let everybody judge this.
Oh, that's hot.
Let's start the comment section. I mean, it's alright. Shout out Tyler Herb. Woo-wee. What do you think?
Sheesh, but that's a dime if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, I'd say it, Dan. We're back. Car's going to the paint. Oh, look, dude. This guy! Oh.
It's sliding off. Uh-oh, just drop it.
Oh, bang up the floor. Your dad kill us. Pick it up again, Gremlin. We're gonna just go straight for the trailer. Dude, it's got some left side percentage, Bubba. Come on.
What's going on?
I don't know. People are walking in. All right.
Yeah.
Set it up.
We're not on study.
We're almost in stuff. Get up there, leave, because you're in the way. Both, because you guys are moving way too slow for my hands. All right, ready? That's weird. Woo!
That hurts the back.
Yeah, dude, my hands are so freaking.
You guys want to pick this up?
Freaking turds.
Is that good enough?
Keep going.
It's gotta get up.
But you're gonna hook that underneath.
Whoa! I need more stuff.
Well, pull it then, Bubba. Straighten me out. Why you got it so far to the left? Yeah, what about it? I know what it was. There you go. Yeah. Is that all the straps? How do you feel about me? Sure. Alright, today's the day. We're back, got the car in the trailer. Getting ready to take it out to Mackinaw Valley Powder Coating, get it. Pan over to this guy, look at him. He's our designated driver today. which is scary because he can't drive. But other than that, stay tuned. Be painted up soon. It's on Main Street, 20 miles away. 30 minutes.
Thought so.
Heading on down to Mackinaw. These guys are gonna probably have me like chubbed up, you know, like the Dome. Flashbacks. St. Louis, I got a chubby right now because I get to drive a race car at the Dome. We're here at Mackinaw Valley, getting ready to get a powder coat. Keep it rolling. Alright, so pretty much we're gonna go around and then you gotta back it up this side of the building. So go up there. Yep, he's opening her up. Let me check those skills. Tell Deacon's never backed the trailer up.
The f I have it.
Straighten it out, Bubba. You know, you're looking like you gotta look like a pro. Not too much counter.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Gotta give him a damn guidance because he doesn't know how to back a race car up. Honestly, I ain't never had no powder coat anyway, so whatever looks great, you know?
It's gonna look good.
I know, I'm pumped up, honestly. Get it back and get the video of it because I think that's gonna be huge for the channel.
Absolutely. When do you guys want it back?
Whenever you can get it back. I mean, I'm running no rush, but obviously we're on your timeline.
Want it back Friday?
If you can, yeah.
This is what we started with. So this moving this other. We're part of Titan Industries, so we started to do our own stuff. And a place to send it to like what we do steps. They kind of turned it into like, hey, we got more capabilities, enough to really keep going all the time.
It's a huge building too.
Well, so a lot of that side is the Titan side. It's like the overflow from your big office. Inside, and it's gas powered, so you can imagine what the gas bill looks like when we.
Dude, wow.
So if we don't need it, it doesn't run.
Right, I feel that. So you guys can do some pretty big stuff.
We do. So we've done some like 26-foot trailers. We've done some things that are bigger than normal. Race cars are pretty easy size-wise. So what I was hoping to do was, so this is not ready to close out on that. But I would like to make this wall like a glamour shot. So if there's something hanging on a cart and I take a picture, you can see.
Yeah, like a backdrop. Alright guys, that was Mackinaw Valley Powder Coating. We'll be back here Friday, 1 o'clock. Alright guys, today's the day. Headed out to Mackinaw Valley. He hasn't shown me no pictures. He's just been teasing me with just some shots of the primer pretty much. So I have no idea what I'm expecting. He just says it's the bee's knees. Well, those are my words, but either way, we're all gonna find out together. Stay tuned, because here soon, you're gonna see what we see. You already see this?
Yeah, you gonna get a little stiffy seeing this?
Okay, it's gonna be chucked up for a while.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Oh, and we got a special treat for you too. You ready for a special treat?
We got a special treat?
We got a special treat.
Oh my goodness.
We gave her the full-on treatment here.
Man, treatment. Oh my. From here? Oh man.
You got the right idea.
B, wait till you see what I'm saying.
Let's see how
These guys are the best. Oh my. Dude,
wow.
It's dark too. That's what I wanted. So, that is awesome.
Well, not only is it dark, but we gotta make sure that one
Dude,
piece sticks out.
That thing is sick.
Dude, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing.
So,
Well,
this is not.
do we want to load this up first or do the sign first?
It doesn't matter. My guys are at lunch until about 12:30.
We'll start on the sign.
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm like, got the shakes a little bit because it's like I ain't never seen them like this.
That's probably one of the favorite colors we've done. We did an orange like this. And I'm an orange guy, so I have a bench at home. It's like the Solution orange.
Yeah.
And it's kind of the same way. So
Man.
I can't wait to see it on the track.
Dude, that thing's sick.
Dude, that thing is sick,
That thing
dude.
is so sick.
I mean, we can certainly load it up. We got 4 guys.
Wow.
We'll start wrapping this. Take you guys lunch and all that. So, John, you know the deal. We're just cleaning this whole wall up. So.
I'll get out of your way and let you do your thing.
No problem, man. Thank you. All right, guys, real quick. Down here, Mackinaw Valley Powder Coating. Just looked at the car for the first time. Absolutely stunned. Don't even know what to say. We're gonna have a long night just staring. But we're about to wrap this wall up. This is gonna be like a kind of like their photo wall. So when they get some small products in, you know, something they want to take a picture, they want something that had their logo in the background. So we actually did a complete like brand update for them. Redid the logo, added little details around the side. And stay tuned to see what that looks like. Alright guys, just finished up Mackinaw. Hooked us up a little special treat here. I'm super jacked, you guys have no idea. Can't thank these guys enough for everything they've done. Look them up, Mackinaw Valley Powder Coating. As you guys can tell, chassis candy purple. Turned out better than we could have ever expected, honestly. I didn't know exactly what I was getting myself into, but we told them we wanted a dark purple that looks black at night. So, we think we nailed it. Let us know in the comment section what you think. It's in the back. He's like it's just snag, yeah. Alright. Damn, no! There went no footage. You got that on camera?
Alright, drop the rest of it. We gotta pull that out.
Well, try not to, you know. Give her too much of mine.